Morning everyone. Okay, next type of set is a power set. Power set means ಘಾತಾಂಕಗಳ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. It is the collection of all subsets of a given set is called a power set. That is, if any A is any set, that is power set of A is generally indicated by P of A. P of A is called generally is the power set of A. That is the collection of all subsets of A ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗಣದ ಉಪಗಣಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚಿಸೋದು ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A is any set that is a set having only one element that is called singleton set. If there is possible subsets of given set are that is a total set A and empty set. These are all possible subsets. There is a two subsets for this set that is A is equal to singleton 1. Okay, then power set of A is generally denoted by that is P of A that is the set including the subsets of this set that is A set and pi set. Okay, that is if A having one element, the possible number of elements in P of A is 2. In generally, if n of A is equal to m, okay, total number of elements in P of A is generally 2 raised to n ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For example, if A having two elements, then the total number of subsets are that is 2 raised to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. that is the 4 subsets for the given set. In generally, power set having that is the 2 raised to n subsets. This type of set is a universal set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿಶ್ವಗಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is universal set defined as the set of all elements in a given or particular context is called a universal set and it is denoted by capital E. ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಣ ಈ ಗಣದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗಣದ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಶ್ವಗಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, that is example for universal set here it is U is equal to X such that X is a real number. A real number, as you know, it is a real number which is included, that is which included the number system, all the number system. That is a natural number ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, it is a rational number ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, irrational number ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, integers ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ natural number ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್, irrational number ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ rational number ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಟ್ ರೀ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ integers ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದೇ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್? It is X such that X is a real number ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ this set is called generally universal set. This is the example for universal set. Another example ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the set of all students in a SI college ಗಜೇಂದ್ರಗಢ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is a commerce students ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರಗಢ. The set of all students in SA college Gajendra, it is called generally universal. Intervals as the subsets of real numbers. Andra depend on the number of the elements in the real number. There is specifically 4 intervals are your studies here. Intervals for your studies. The intervals which shows that the number which is lies in the any restriction of the elements. Andra navu kayili the number which is lies in the specific conditions anta navu indication ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This first is a closed interval. Closed interval tell that the set of all elements, the set which is including the all elements, which is including the endpoints. The set of all elements which including the endpoints is called generally closed interval. Generally closed interval is denoted by this symbol. There is a closed brackets, square brackets, closed square brackets. That is including the elements A and B, where A and B are the elements of real numbers and A is less than B. Okay, this is indicated by set protocol. It is X such that X is lies between A and B. Okay, this shows that the elements, the X is the element which is including A and B. X is the element which is including the endpoints of A and B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A and B ಅನ್ನು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, for example it is closed interval of 2 and 5. It is denoted by it is X such that 2 is less than or equal to X, that is less than or equal to 5. That means the set which is including 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 means 2 and 5 including the given set is called generally closed interval. Okay, in similar open interval. Open interval means generally the set of all elements which excluding the endpoints. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is open interval is denoted by that is open bracket, that is AB ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A and B ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is example, that is open interval of 2 and 5 indicated by X such that 2 is less than X less than 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in between 2 and 5 what are the real numbers or what are the natural numbers, that is called general ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಜನರಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 and 4 are the natural numbers which is lies in the interval 2 and 5, that is a open interval. If you take real numbers, there is fractions also included in the given set. Oh, actually it is the third interval, that is semi open interval ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is the set of elements which is having included in the left number and excluding the right number is called generally semi open interval. Generally denoted by this symbol. That is closed and open ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಜನರಲ್ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ closed including A excluding B, that interval is called semi open interval. That is x such that A is less than or equal to x less than B for all A and B are the elements of real numbers. That is generally example in this 2,4 is the example. That is a closed interval 2 open interval 4 means including 2 excluding 4, that is x such that 2 is less than or equal to x less than 4. That is a set of elements having including 2 means 2, 3 are the elements of this set. Okay, similarly the semi-closed interval. Semi-closed interval, that is the set of elements which is including the excluding the left number and including the right number ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is indicated by the interval, that is excluding A including B ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is x such that A is less than x less than or equal to B for all A and B are real numbers. For example, semi-open interval, semi-closed interval it is 2 and 4, that indicates x such that 2 is less than x less than or equal to 4. That means the set which is including 4 excluding 2, that is 3 and 4 are the elements of this set. Here it is in the interval concept, B minus A is the length of the interval.